This is why I don't go out to eat that much anymore. My friends are going to probably go to this place. They went to this place last time I met up with them. Let's go through and see what I can eat on my diet plan. I mean, technically I can eat anything I want, but like, okay, let's just go through and see. Chips, yeah, obviously potato chips, definitely not on a diet of any kind for anyone. Fries, fried food, yeah, no good. Garlic lover rolls. Fresh baked dough, well, that's bread, so can't have that. Chicken quesadilla, cheese, all fat, saturated fat. Grilled chicken skewers. Okay, now this might work if you leave the sauce on the side. So there's one thing I could possibly eat. Four all white meat chicken tenderloins, char grilled and tossed. So as long as they're not tossed in the sauce, that could work. And celery on the side too. Okay, there's one thing I could eat here. Lounge fries, no. Chicken tenders, they're fried, so no. Uh, chicken ranch dip, no. Pretzel fried, nachos grande, cheese, obviously. Stuffed pretzel, that's obviously fried as well. Pizza, nope, cheese. So side dishes, fries, chips, no. Coleslaw, mayonnaise, no. Mac and cheese, cottage cheese. Cottage cheese, okay, so you could do cottage cheese, maybe. But the thing is, it's probably full fat cottage cheese, so it's mostly fat and not as much protein. So that's probably out. Broccoli. Yay, broccoli. So we got two things. We got grilled chicken skewers with no sauce and broccoli. Onion rings fried, sweet potato fries fried, tortilla chips fried, fresh fruit. Okay, so three things now, right? So we got fresh fruit, broccoli, and grilled chicken skewers. Flatbreads, no, they have bread. Wings, all fried. Hoagies, no. Bread and lunch meat, nope, nope, nope. Side salad, okay, that could work. Cup of soup, bowl of soup, that would work. French onion soup is out, no, because of cheese. Now the soup, if it's creamy soup, that's out because that's probably heavy cream, and you definitely don't want that. That's saturated fat. All right, grilled chicken salad, iceberg greens. Leave off the cheese. Uh, leave off the croutons and fries. No cheese, no croutons, fries. That could work. Okay. Same with the steak salad. Chicken tortellini salad. Well, the tortellini, that's a lot of carbs, so leave that off. Salmon apple walnuts salad. You gotta leave the walnuts off because that's a lot of carb, or that's a lot of fat. Buffalo chicken salad. The sauce. You got fat in the sauce. Strawberry chicken salad sounds good. Gotta leave the almonds and feta cheese off. Jerk chicken salad. Let's see here. Toasted coconut. Pineapple, red pepper, onion. This actually sounds pretty good. I I think that might be good. So the jerk chicken salad. So okay, modified salads, iceberg wedge. No, the blue cheese. You gotta leave that off. So yeah, some modified salads that could work. All right, burgers. So they're going to be using probably 80/20 beef. So that's basically a fat and not a protein. So that's out. 90. I was told by my dietitian that 93.7 only 7% ground beef, fat ground beef is the only one I can eat because that's counts as a protein, not a fat. All right, sandwiches, no, it's all bread. Entrees, okay, fried fish, no. Fried chicken, no. Broiled cod Florentine, cod on spinach with diced tomatoes. Leave off the breadcrumbs. That could work. That could work. Salmon, you would think that would be good, but it's probably Atlantic salmon, which is the farm raised stuff, which is toxic for so many different reasons, parasites and all kinds of other stuff. So you want the Pacific wild caught salmon, and I'm sure that's not it. All right, so out of this whole menu, I could eat the cod with no breadcrumbs, some modified salads. The jerk chicken looks good. I think that's the only thing unmodified on here that I really could order and eat. Side salad, maybe soup. Fresh fruit, broccoli, and grilled chicken skewers. Hmm. Jerk chicken salad. All right. Well, if we go out, that's what I'm going to order. Jerk chicken salad. I'll let you guys know if I do. But yeah, this is why I don't go to restaurants, because who wants to be that guy? I don't want to be that guy. Like, well, can you leave the okay dressing on the side, low fat dressing, leave the cheese off, leave the fries off, leave the like. No waiter wants to deal with that, you know. So it's easier just to say, nah, let's go to a Japanese restaurant instead. If anybody else is having this experience, let me know in the comments. I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day. Thanks.